Hi, my name is Harry and I'm a professional 3D artist with over a decade of experience. And in this class, I'll be showing you how to make this little fella. I'll walk you through the simple and beginner-friendly process of creating a cartoon-style bumblebee animation in Blender. We'll be going through the entire process of creating this bumblebee animation from a beginner's perspective to avoid as much confusion as possible. That means I won't be skipping any steps or going too fast for you to keep up with me. We're using Blender for this tutorial, which is an amazing and totally free 3D software. The only barrier to entry is having a computer to run the software on. In this class, you can expect to learn the Blender interface and its tools. We'll learn about the many basic tools and interface elements within Blender while creating our cartoon bumblebee. We'll learn modeling. To create our bumblebee and environment, we'll use basic modeling tools and modifiers such as mirroring and subdivision. Up next is lighting. We'll set up a simple sunlight lighting scheme to accentuate our cartoon shaders. Then we'll move on to shading. I'll show you how to create a colorful and stylized cartoon material for our bumblebee and environment. Up next is animation. I'll walk you through animating your bumblebee by using simple keyframing and modifiers like cycles. Lastly, rendering. We'll render our final image in Blender so you can share it with your friends and family on social media. When we're done, you'll have all the skills you need to create a looping cartoon animation of your very own. For our class project, you'll be doing just that. I'd like you to create a new, looping cartoon animation with a unique design and share it with the class. I'll personally review every single project uploaded to the gallery and give you feedback on anything you've done fantastic, as well as anything that could use a little bit of adjustment. I hope you'll join me on this fun beginner's journey through Blender by making your very own cartoon bumblebee animation.